Lone Animals by Kavya. The small brown bear Bernard was walking home after a long and dismal day of school, when all of a sudden it started to pour. The little tiny owl Ohio gazed up at the radiant moon that glowed like a candle in the darkest night. He wished that he could be there instead of in his solitary home in the little tree with no friends. The elephant Ellery was walking back home from a long and lonesome day at school when he found that it was raining. It was a catastrophe. What was he going to do? The little bunny Bella packed up her suitcase and headed for a new home. She pondered what it would be like and hoped that she would enjoy her new home just as much as her old one. The little songbird Sarah looked down below her little branch. It was so far down. What if she fell and broke a bone? Or she never learned to fly? She didn't know how to propel herself forward and was not looking forward to learning this new skill. As time passed, Bernard, Ohio, Ellery, Bella, and Sarah all found the silver lining on their cloud. They began to see the good in the world. Bernard found sunshine and made friends to learn and play with in school. Ohio found a friend, Spot, to play with on his lonesome days. Ellery found the fun in rain and found new ways to travel. He told his newfound friends about it, and they all went to school that way together. Bella found that her new town was great, and she made friends right away, like Carrot and Patrice. Sarah learned that flying wasn't bad, and she made new friends, Robin and Fern, who helped her along the way. These animals and more learned to find the good in every situation, and they enjoyed every day. They made friends and loved every moment in their life. Glossary: dismal, gloomy, unfortunate, discouraging. Radiant, beaming, luminous, or bright. Solitary, all alone with no one else. Catastrophe, widespread of terrible disaster. Pondered, think about something for a long period of time. Propel, you drive something forward by force.